Hey everyone, today I am going to explain to you every step of how to make as much as $963 working less than 15 minutes a day. The best part of this is that it is entirely free of cost. You don't need to have a website or be in front of a camera. All you have to do is follow the steps I will explain. Step 1. The strategy's first step is explaining how to use a platform to earn money online. It is called Kickbooster.com. You can use the resources they provide on the platform to earn money as an affiliate. This platform includes the best items, and you are not required to use services like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, or anything similar. You can use affiliate marketing for advertising something new that has never been seen before to make some nice money online. Additionally, signing up is simple and cost-free. Not only this, there are no requirements for eligibility. You don't need to have a website or take any actions of this sort. All you have to do is click on the marketplace, and once you do that, it will take you to a page where you can view their campaigns or boost them, which means you will promote them. I will explain how to obtain an affiliate link. You should know how to access the sources right away from the AC of it. As a result, the first thing you will notice when you arrive there is that everything is campaign related and involves pigs and crowdfunding, e-commerce, etc. You need to find a product to promote to work as an affiliate. Assume for a moment that you wanted to advertise a product that is a bike. Now that bike is an ultra-lightweight, robust carbon fiber bike, it is not difficult to advertise it to many riders. Many people participate in riding, and most people like to own bicycles. You should establish an account for yourself, sign up, and then register as an affiliate marketer. Once it's done, you need to enter your information and begin promoting and boosting the various goods. You can also visit a website and look at a Kickstarter campaign to boost your product or advertise your product. If we go back to the bike example, you will see a page that people can view when they click on the sales page. And if you scroll it further down, you will see how the sales page will look when you're promoting the product. Many of them will have various bike types. You will also be paid based on a particular proportion if someone comes up depending on what you're promoting. I am viewing a page showing he spends $2,054 to purchase this bike over here. Returning to the page on Kickstarter, you will be able to see that you will receive a payment of approximately 10% of that, or $254 in this case. Therefore, you should visit this page and click on it to support our campaign. You will be brought to a page as soon as you click on Boost this campaign, among other things. You should proceed from there by going over to the page and clicking on Boost our campaign. You can see that you have a few videos over there. Step 2. To strengthen a campaign, you will click on the Boost Campaign link, which will automatically provide you with the affiliate link. Secondly, you will copy the link, save it on the notepad, and minimize it. Thirdly, Campaign Video, a video you can use to advertise a specific product. You will also receive a resources page for any additional products you want to promote. And when you click on the campaign film, you are essentially taken to YouTube. I'll explain why that's crucial and how we'll obtain free traffic. I'll also explain precisely how we're going to achieve it. So allow me to draw your attention to this YouTube channel called Tech Zone. I'll explain to you how to duplicate this. However, you are never required to produce or film a single video. You will see that the thumbnails for the videos on this channel are actually images taken from the same product when you look at the videos over there. You'll see how popular the channel is. It receives about 16.5 million views each month. Additionally, they make up to 86,000 hours per year, or $86,000 per month on top of all the affiliate revenues they receive each month. If you take 17 million and split that by 16.5 million, you get 16,500,000. According to the CPM that YouTube pays us, it equals 16,500 ads. However, remember that the technique does result in some good CPMs, up to $5. However, suppose they only receive $2 CPM. So you can see what they're getting if you double that by 2. Step 3. To get the channel monetized when you're putting up the videos, you may need to produce your intro, say something, and utilize your voiceover at the beginning of each video. All you have to do is publish those videos directly to YouTube. You don't want to monetize the channel because you won't need to. You can also make compilations. So if we head over and look at the description, you will see that they have descriptions for the videos, along with information on how and when to post your own. And if you go further down, you'll see a ton of other products that Kickbooster is pushing on the YouTube channel. Additionally, they are obtaining sales and profiting greatly. You will also see there are different things they are advertising. You will be able to see by fast forwarding that they are just all different things, and the channel is filled with advertisements. Step 4. I'm going to explain how to rank the video and also how you can get extra views. But the first thing you need to do is buy software, because what you're going to do is not just do one product. You're going to do numerous items, and you're going to keep uploading the videos. Therefore, what you should do is visit a website for free editing software, such as this one called OpenShot.org. And through this, you can accomplish it extremely quickly. And the reason for this is because it's free, and you might not have a lot of money when you're seeking to start. You will therefore desire a free service. The sky is the limit in earning this passive income once you make 2 to 3 sales. If your videos make 4 sales and goes viral, you can make $1,000. Okay, so you want to head over to Kickbooster to promote the various types of products. This is YouTube affiliate marketing in its most basic form. Step 5. To promote a video, you will first download it and then import it into the video editing program. You will head to the editing software and input the downloaded version, drag it, and expand it. After that, you need to return to the Kickboost and locate additional things you want to market. When you return to the campaign, click the link to the marketplace where you can browse down and locate additional things to advertise. Find products in a niche that are all relatable if you can find them. You may also locate related information. Then all you have to do is place the descriptions of all the things you're promoting in the videos you've already made. Step 6. From this point on, you must ensure that you can raise the rank of the videos. Therefore, you need to understand how to boost the videos using a vidIQ program. This tells YouTube was to promote the various video kinds. The startup niche is currently a significant one on YouTube. Therefore, you may consider including some keywords such as startup and anything else, and take a close look at the specific videos trending on YouTube. So hence, you need to investigate the market a little. Then you may start using the same terms. Additionally, you can peek inside the videos to see what titles are being used. You must type in vidIQ into Google, which will take you to a page. Moreover, signing up is completely free. This will instruct YouTube on where to perhaps push the various video formats. Next, you need a thumbnail, which is relatively simple to make. You could visit a website like Canva.com. All you have to do is type in something like YouTube thumbnail. It will generate templates for you. Alternatively, you could create a thumbnail from scratch. And it's pretty easy to add some text overlay, and you can complete it in a few minutes. Now that you have all the necessary components for the video, you can upload it to YouTube. You already have the video, the thumb, and the tags. The last step is to come over to the page and insert all the necessary links. You can also copy the direct link. When someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you'll be able to profit from the affiliate marketing on YouTube. Once you've added your links, your thumbnail, uploaded your videos, added tags, and completed the page, the video will now be distributed by YouTube to other users looking for this kind of information. However, how can you increase the number of views on your video so that you may earn more money online? You would want to start advertising your video, which is what you want to accomplish. You will upload the video and click on the share button. Then you will be given a link, and once you copy it, you can go ahead and share the video. You need to start looking for additional social media networks that can assist you in increasing video traffic, depending on your niche. Of course, Facebook is one of the best locations to accomplish this. Additionally, you can visit Facebook and search for startups, for instance. To find all these different startups on Facebook where people are looking for ideas or companies to invest in, scroll down and click on groups. People are looking for a wide variety of different things. Additionally, people seek startup products since they know they are cutting edge or novel things and want to buy them. You only need to join each of the several groups by simply clicking on them. Then you would be able to start sharing your videos on the site without posting an affiliate link. That's it. This is how you can earn $963 in just 15 minutes. I hope this video tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to leave a review or feedback. Thank you, and take care.